I'm smoking on Bhutanese Shadow Garden grown Dark Evil pack. They watered this with the blood of 36 dragons. Shit so purple it should be asking me where's Ronald. Nigga, this shit will turn your pacemaker off. Nuclear levels of sour, lung slaughtering, necromancer kush. Shit got diamonds on it, so you know that THC to CBD ratio is fucking swag, nigga. A whiff of this shit? Yeah, there's that nefarious evil sorcerer Moongrass. This shit straight out of K-Lid. This shit is what shot Tupac. Rip my nigga for real, dog.